After reading Atomic Habits by James Clear, I had this realization that in order to stick with good habits, we need to use some form of habit trackers to keep ourselves accountable. And some examples of habit trackers would be to use a piece of paper and track your habits every single day, or you can use your calendar and put an X on the days that you have accomplished your tasks, or you can use productivity software like Notion, Apple Notes, Google Sheets, Todoist, etc. In this video, I will be going over how to build your habit tracker with Notion app. And the reason why I choose a productivity app like Notion is because it's clutter-free, efficient, and convenient, and also it's easily accessible on any devices on the go. If you're interested in learning more about how to build a habit tracker inside Notion, then please stay until the very end. And also, one thing to keep in mind, I have this free gift for you at the very end of this video, so make sure you stick around. And now, let's get started. So this is the Notion's official website, and you can go to this website by typing in notion.so. And if you're new here, then you will have to create an account first with Notion. So I would click Get Notion Free and then proceed with inputting the email, and then you will get the one-time passcode and you will be good to go. And after that, I would recommend you to download right here, and then you can download the Mac or Windows version, whatever platform you use for your computer or your desktop. And then I would also recommend you to choose the mobile version as well, right here, iOS or Android. And based on the platform that you use, then you can download the app from Notion's official website. For me, I prefer to use desktop version because it's more convenient, and also I can type in using my keyboard, and so it's more productive. And I use Notion's mobile app whenever I'm on the go so that I can keep updated with the tasks that I need to accomplish or to the plans that I have planned out throughout the day. So mobile version will be convenient when you're going somewhere and you have access to the internet. So now I'm going to go to the Notion app. So now this is the desktop version of Notion, and you can install it after downloading from the Notion's official website. And then now I'm going to show you how to build your habit tracker in Notion. So first of all, I'm going to click New Page, and then I'm going to expand it so that I can see a full picture of what I'm going to build. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click this 3-dot button at the top right corner, and then I'm going to toggle on for full width. Now you have a bigger canvas to work with, and so it's easy to see the tasks, and then your tasks can be made into multiple columns and all that. So I always prefer to use the full width whenever I use Notion app. So now I'm going to type in habit tracker, and also you can add an icon, and you can add emojis, or you can add icons built by Notion. And so I'm going to choose this checkbox, for example, check mark, and then I'm going to click it, and now you can choose the color. So I'm going to click this green color. So it's an icon, and also you can add a cover picture if you want to. And so if you want to add like a gradient, then you can do that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to just go with simple design, so it's easy to build my habit tracker easier and very minimalistic design as well. And now I'm going to create habit tracker inside a page. So first of all, I'm going to create a page. So there will be a page inside this habit tracker page. And the cool thing about Notion is that you can create a template button on any Notion setup or any task or any pages that you have built inside Notion, so that once you create the Notion template button, then you can just use that button to duplicate that setup, and it's going to save you so much time. So you don't need to build a habit tracker every single week to track your habit. Therefore, I'm going to build another Notion page inside this habit tracker page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the slash key on my keyboard, and once I click that, I will get the slash commands, and here I'm going to type in page. So I'm going to create another page inside the habit tracker. So right now here you have this breadcrumbs where you are inside the habit tracker. So once you click this page, then you will go to the another page of your setup. And here I'm going to do the same thing, full width. And now I'm going to give a name for this new page. So I'm going to type in as plans. And now after that, I'm going to type in Monday, Tuesday to Sunday, so all 7 days, because I am building a habit tracker to track habits every single day. So I'm going to type in Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. So all right, so we have all 7 days sorted out, and after that I'm going to change some headings and then also the font size. So it's going to be bigger, and also I'm going to structure it in a way where this habit tracker looks more organized. So first of all, I'm going to type in slash and then turn to. So I'm going to convert it into from text to heading to. So now it looks bigger, and I'm going to do the same setting for all 7 days. So for Tuesday, turn to, and then click heading to. And then same thing for Thursday as well, heading to. And for Sunday, I'm going to click turn to, and then type H2. So heading to, and then now boom. So now you have all larger fonts for all of the 7 days. And now I'm going to put some background color for each and every day. So I'm going to click green background so it looks organized, and I'm just going to choose the green background also for all 7 days. Alright, so now we are done adding the background color and also changing the font size of all 7 days. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to set up in a way that it looks like a habit tracker. So I'm going to create columns for weekdays and weekends. So for Tuesday, I'm going to put beside Monday. So simply I'm going to click and drag and drop next to Monday, and once you see that vertical blue line, then you can drop it right there. So that's how you create columns inside Notion. So I'm going to put Wednesday beside Tuesday, so I'm going to drag Wednesday and then place that beside Tuesday, and then for Thursday I'm going to put beside Wednesday, and for Friday I'm going to put it beside Thursday. So now we have all weekdays sorted out into 5 columns. But for weekends, I'm going to put Sunday beside Saturday. So I'm going to drag Sunday and place it right here. So great. So now we have all 7 days sorted out, and on Monday I'm going to press the enter button. And now I'm going to press the cursor on Monday and then press the enter button. So I'm going to use slash commands and then add a to-do list, because it's like a checkbox. You can type in to do, or you can type in to, and then you will see the to-do list option on the basic blocks. Or another thing is you can type in checkbox, and then it will prompt you the same to-do list as well. So just letting you know. So first of all, I'm going to track 3 habits, because according to Atomic Habits by James Clear, it suggests that in order to build consistent habit, then you would start with 3 habits and then make it non-negotiable. This is how you build habits slowly, step by step, or in baby steps before you add more habits into your routine. So for this habit tracker, I will be following that suggestion, and I will add 3 habits to track every single day. So I'm going to add reading for 30 minutes. All right, and then press enter. And after that, I'm going to add, let's say, learn sales on Udemy. So that would be my second habit that I want to do it no matter what. And next one, I want to try out some cardio for 30 minutes. All right, so now we are done with adding 3 habits on Monday. So after you added 3 habits under Monday, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of them and then copy it and then paste it on all following days. So I'm going to press Command C for copy and then Command V for paste, but for Windows you will press Control instead of Command. So I'm going to press Command V, Command V, Command V, Command V. Alright, so now we have set up all 3 habits on every single day of a week. So after adding 3 habits on each day of the week, then I'm going to make the entire setup as a template so that you don't have to keep creating the same setup every single week. So after adding 3 habits on each and every single day, now I'm going to use this setup as a template. So I'm going to create a template button with all these setup, and so that I don't need to create the same setup every single week. So I'm going to go back to habit tracker page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the / command and then create the template button. So here now I'm going to create a template button with the setup of this habit tracker, and so the button name is habit tracker, and I'm going to drag this entire plans under template. So this template section is where you want to create the template. So drag and drop your Notion setup there, and now we have template button now. So once you press it, now you will see the new plans, and once you press another one, you will have another page. But that's not the thing that we want to use, right? We don't want a page. We want the full setup of like this inside this habit tracker page. And here is how you do it. So instead of having these pages, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this page into a text block. So I'm going to delete this plain Notion pages, and instead I'm going to go to settings, and then Notion page right here, I'm going to convert that page into a text block. So hover it right here and you will see these 3 buttons, and then after that you will have to turn to a text block. So the steps are, after you click the toggle button, go to turn to, and then after that you have a page right now, but then I want the text block. So click this text feature, and now boom, so we have this Notion set up, and I'm going to delete this title plans, so right here, and now add a new to do. So I'm going to add habit tracker. Alright, so now once you're done with this, I'm going to click close. Alright, so now we have successfully created a habit tracker template button right here, and once I click this button, we will have a habit tracker with all 7 days with the tasks included. So are you excited to see it? Well then, drum roll. Boom. So now we have this template right here, and I'm going to use it as a template. So right here I'm going to track it for every single day for my habits, and then once I'm done with that, I can either delete it or you can just keep it, and then you can press the habit tracker another time, and now you have another template right here for you to track. So that's it. That's how you create a habit tracker inside Notion. Oh, by the way, did I mention about free gift in the beginning of this video? Well, I did, and as promised, I have included the link in the description, and that's the Gumroad page of where you can download my Notion template on habit tracker, and it is already made out, so it's ready to use, and all you have to do is duplicate the template and also make sure you put the $0 so that you can download it for free on Gumroad. So there you have it. Enjoy, and let me know your thoughts on my Notion tracker, and I have included the tutorial video on that habit tracker template as well. So enjoy. That's a wrap for now. I hope you get a ton of value out of this video, and also I hope you enjoyed this free gift on the habit tracker Notion template. By the way, I make videos on personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle videos. So if one of those topics interests you, then please subscribe to my channel, and also click the like button for this video for the algorithm. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.